Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to plan your household chores schedule in Airtable. The 2025 version has some cool features that make this process easier than ever. First things first, let's start by creating a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. The reason we do this is to have a blank canvas to customize according to our needs. Now that we've done that, let's rename our base. Let's call it Household Chores. Personalizing your base with a suitable name helps you identify it with ease amidst other bases. Next up, let's create the necessary fields. We'll need fields like chore, assigned to, due date, and status. This helps us organize our chores systematically. A well-structured base allows you to keep track of who's doing what and when it needs to be done. Now it's time to fill in our chores. Click on the plus icon under each field and start typing. The reason we do this is to populate our base with our household chores, who's responsible for them, when they need to be done, and their current status. Once you've entered all your chores, you can sort and filter them according to your needs. For instance, you can sort them by due date to see which chores need to be done first. This helps us plan our time and resources effectively. Now that our chores are organized, let's set a view. Airtable allows you to view your base in multiple ways, including a calendar view, which is especially useful for planning chores. The reason we set a view is to have a visual representation of our chores schedule, making it easier to keep track of. And that's it. You have successfully planned your household chores schedule in Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep updating the status of your chores as and when they are completed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Until next time, happy organizing.